Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying prerequisites so changes behave predictably. Open Settings and check your Galaxy model and One UI version. This affects theme availability. Once done, go to General Management and make sure Samsung Keyboard is selected as your default. If you plan to use custom theme apps like Theme Park, install them now, but only if you want custom color packs. Doing these steps first avoids permission issues later and makes the theme options appear immediately when you open keyboard settings. Now you change the theme settings directly on the keyboard. Tap any text field, then the keyboard gear to open Samsung Keyboard settings. Navigate to Keyboard Theme. You'll see built-in options like Default, AMOLED, and Light. Tap each to preview how keys contrast with background. For deeper customization, use Theme Park or Good Lock modules to adjust key shape, font size, color gradients, and transparency. Make gradual tweaks and preview after each change so readability and thumb reach remain comfortable. Finish by applying the theme and testing it across several apps to confirm consistent behavior and legibility. Type messages, open the emoji panel, and test keypress feedback. This verifies both aesthetics and function. If you notice misalignment, lag, or missing keys, clear the Samsung Keyboard cache and, if necessary, force stop or reinstall updates. When problems persist, reset keyboard settings or uninstall custom theme modules. But back up any custom themes first so you don't lose color.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.